What is oscillation in cleaning?
Most recently, Victor has introduced the Ocelot range. Unlike traditional scrubber dryers that use rotating brushes or pads, the Ocelot machines possess intense cleaning capabilities, agitating embedded dirt and debris using high-frequency, multi-directional movement. This movement dislodges stubborn dirt and stains, offering 3,000 rounds of 7mm cleaning action per minute, making light work of cleaning floors. When should you choose an oscillating machine? Oscillating machines like the Ocelot are ideal for textured floors, maintaining their anti-slip properties by effectively reaching into grooves and crevices. Here's a diagram to show the difficulties cleaning textured floors. Is the Ocelot a compatible cleaning solution for your floor? Although great for cleaning textured floors, the Ocelot can handle a variety of surfaces. The key factor is the cleaning pad used with the machine. Microfiber, suitable for all floor types. Texture and grout, which is ideal for grouted tile floors, concrete floors, but not for wooden floors. And lastly, melamine, which is great for linoleum, anti-slip safety floors, but not for varnished floors. What is the difference between oscillating and orbital cleaning machines? Understanding the difference between oscillating and orbital machines can be confusing, and some brands use the word interchangeably, but orbital machines generally move in a circular pattern, which is perfect for machines polishing smooth surfaces. Whereas oscillating machines move back and forth, ideal for deep cleaning textured surfaces and grout lines. So whether you need gentle cleaning for regular hard surfaces or deep cleaning for textured floors, oscillating machines like the Ocelot range offer a versatile and powerful cleaning solution. For more information about oscillation in cleaning, speak to our team today.